Alright, we're in the neck of the woods this time. We're in part 5 of One Stormy Night. They just now found out that May and Gabu are secret friends and they've been hanging out with each other for long periods of time. You know where I'm going with this, so let's just start. Okay, now this is one peaceful night.
It's all true. Everything they've told me makes too much sense. I mean, Gabu said himself that his favorite food was a soft valley, didn't he? Because we goats are always there. He's probably killed and eaten lots of us in the past. After all, he is a wolf. But I really want to believe it when he tells me that he's never killed a goat in his entire life.
May,
Just ask him.
are you still sitting out here?
I couldn't go to sleep, Grandma.
Perhaps it's best you're still awake. What I have to say is important.
Grandma?
I know you don't remember, but it's about your mother.
Oh, what about her?
Your mother. She was such a wonderful person in so many ways.
You mean wonderful
She
goat?
loved you more than anything else in this world.
But she died. What happened to her?
You're just now asking?
I never wanted to tell you, May, but not long after you were born, she was attacked by wolves.
Who's his father?
No.
Ah, but she was brave though, your mother. She even bit the ear off one of the wolves, distracted them long enough so that you could escape. But she paid for her bravery with her life.
Ew, was that sound effect necessary? Ew. Sound like something else. I don't know. Something being stepped on and it exploded right under someone's foot. Oh crap, what did I step on? Right over my new Nikes. My Air Force Ones. Ugh. What's going on here?
Scared of?
Anyone could do this.
The sun's gonna set before you, Jump.
What the hell? What is this? Somebody the poo crap?
Come on, this little jump is easy.
Oh, why do they all look like that? Ah!
Get a move on.
I bet you he chokes.
Yeah.
That very much that defies the laws of physics. That's the most fakest laugh I've ever heard. Introducing nightmare fuel. What was the point of that? Like he had a rough childhood? I mean, everyone has rough childhoods. They get over it. It makes them stronger. Okay, what kind of setup is this? What do they gotta look like that?
Well, May, tell me now, have you thought about everything of which we spoke? I too have been thinking about the situation, May, and I believe I have come to a decision.
Big lips.
You can continue meeting that wolf if you wish.
What? You mean it?
Yes, I mean it. Essentially, I intend to turn the situation against the wolves. He intended to use you, so we are going to use him instead. You
Well-
will continue to meet with that wolf, and you will pretend as if nothing has changed. But where they are, how many are in the pack, the places they never go, their plans for future hunts, you will find out all of these things for us so that we can take advantage of it.
Sure.
Redemption.
Let's see how far that
That
goes.
is what I offer you. So, what do you think?
I think you're fucking nuts.
I understand. I know what I have to do.
Oh shit. That sound effect for that transition. Wow. That sounds like the that sounds like Baul from Tales of Vesperia. watch it, you bastards. One of those rocks could have hit me.
Morning, Gabu. Have you thought about things? Do you want to hear what's been decided?
What?
According to the Wolfpack laws we follow, your fate would be death.
Oh, shit.
However, your father was my friend, and he died before I could repay him a debt. So, out of honor for your father, I'm giving you a second chance. This goat you have foolishly decided to be friendly with. You'll meet him one more time.
Giro, but why?
Because, Gabu, you'll meet and pretend everything's normal. Then you'll ring him for information about the goat.
Are you serious?
You see, Gabu? Think about how easy things will be. All you have to do is find out what the goats are doing at any particular time. Then you tell us. With that information, we wouldn't struggle through any winter again. Ever. Listen, Gabu. This is your only chance. If you decide to do something stupid again, believe me, your death will await you. Also, Gabu, if you try to run away, we will find you. A traitor to the pack must die. Is this understood?
Oh, shit.
I understand.
What's gonna happen? What will they do? Oh my goodness. Shit's about to get real. But still,
Hey,
of course.
have you heard the news? You're
Now we got Alvin and the Chipmunks talking? Oh my
meeting
god.
again. I hear they are meeting near the river today.
And a freaking American Tail? Oh.
Hey, everybody.
And Curious George? What the fuck? Oh. Now they're just gossiping and drama like it's on freaking Twitter or something. And the Instagram pic though. Lovely. It's lovely.
I'm sorry I'm late, Gabu.
It's okay. I only just got here a moment ago.
We're both in trouble,
So,
but we refuse to talk about it,
What would you
cliche.
like to do?
I don't know. Maybe we can take a walk by the river a while.
That'll do.
That doesn't sound
Sounds like
suspicious
it
at
could
all.
be nice.
That doesn't sound suspicious either. It's not idea something's up. Look, all the animals are just butting in. What the heck? That's not water. What is that? It's either piss or throw up. Anyway, it doesn't look like water. That's disgusting. What they've been doing out here, man? It's gross. Where all Bailey's friends come from?
This better work. I hope May pulls it off.
Indeed. His life and the lives of all of us depend upon it. We can only hope that he succeeds.
Oh, how could I let May get into this mess?
You're a horrible grandmother. And of course they're watching.
That traitor. How could he go and get so friendly with a goat like that? It's sickening. But Giro, just think. If Gabu pulls this off, we'll have as many goats to eat whenever we want to eat them. I'm looking forward to it. Believe me, I won't be happy until I've slaughtered them all. Oh, shush, shush, shush. You're getting yourself all worked up again. Maybe you need a massage or something. Barry, shut up.
You shut up. You started it,
Okay.
prick. What, that's it? He asked you to bend over, you asked how far? What? That's a backbone, jerk. Is it raining or
Looks
snowing?
like it's gonna pour.
Was that jump really necessary? Oh. Quick, run! Run from the hills! Run from the rain! rain! The rain will kill you! What the hell's going on up there? Well, that's the end of part 5. A little 10-minute video there. Well, it looks like they're setting up to betray each other, but will they do it or will they not do it? I don't know. You don't know? We don't know. So, we're going to find out in the next part. So, tune in to part 6. See ya.